To resolve the issue of an outlet cam that won't pair, there are several possible reasons to consider. The cam may not be in pairing mode. There could be Wi-Fi network issues. The outlet app may be outdated, or the device may be experiencing glitches. To fix these issues, start by ensuring the cam is in pairing mode. This can be done by holding the small button on the back of the camera for 3 to 5 seconds, which will cause a light to start blinking, indicating pairing mode. Next, check the Wi-Fi connection to ensure it is on and connected to a 2.4 GHz network, as the cam does not support 5 GHz networks. If the Wi-Fi signal strength is low, try moving the camera closer to the router or using a Wi-Fi booster. Updating the Outlet app is also crucial, as an outdated app can lead to compatibility issues. Check the App Store for updates to ensure the app is current. If none of these steps work, try resetting the outlet cam to remove any glitches by pressing the button on the back of the cam for 15 seconds or more, which will cause the status light to turn off, and then release the button. The cam will then blink red and blue to indicate it is in pairing mode. By following these simple steps, the issue of a non-pairing outlet cam can be quickly and easily resolved.